Last one I want to show you is the date differences. You can use it to calculate any of these items. The starting date if you have an ending date, the ending date if you have a starting date, or you can input two dates and get find out how many days are in between those two dates. Let's show you calculate an ending date. And let's use number of weeks. So it shows you the given that starting date, what the ending date would be. Let's do a number of days. We'll go 90 days. And you notice also that we show you mailbox rule extensions, which can sometimes be helpful. If you have any questions, you can always reach us at this contact information, either by sending an email to support@sullivan.com or submitting a question this way, or give us a call. And also, if you're interested in learning more about discounted group rates for your company, shoot us an email at sales@sullivan.com.